Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani and I've been locked for about 3.5 years now. Today I'm going to be styling my hair, but it's going to be an experiment, girl, because I've never done braids on my locks. My hair was always too short, but now I feel like I'm at the perfect length where I can do braids and I will like them, so we're gonna see. So I'm not retwisting my hair because I'm actually traveling abroad right now in Costa Rica and I will be here for the next few weeks, and I've just been hiking and just doing a whole bunch of stuff to where I just feel like my hair, I shouldn't put too much energy into my hair. Okay, I'm gonna start with the front because when I start with the back, we just kind of leave the front up to chance, and we can't do that with this style. So I'm going to start with these 3 locks. I think I'm gonna do this first part and then I'll do the back and then I'll do the middle. I'm hoping that I can keep this style for my remaining time here in Costa Rica, and if it turns out to be cool, then I will continue to do this style, this little no retwist style. I'm gonna put this back into a ponytail. All right, make sure everything is separated. Everything looks pretty cool. I don't really need to go in and do anything. Okay, wait. I usually don't use products, but I do like to use a little retwisting gel in the front just to give it a little razzle dazzle. So I'm using the 4C Only 2 Twisted Lock Braid and Twist Gel. They sent this to me maybe last year. This is not sponsored. I just, I always use it on the front just because it slicks my hair down really good. Or if I don't use it for retwisting, I'll just swoop my edges in the front. But I'm not too big on using lots of products in my hair, so I'm literally only taking a little bit, and that's just because I kind of want it to be smooth. Even though I'm not retwisting it, I still want it to be, oh, not as slick. Okay, I still want it to be slick, you know. I still want it to look neat. I hope that these turn out right. If not, I'm just gonna put on a turban, put on a little head scarf and call it a day, but it should be fine because I do the twist all the time. I'm just going to braid this all the way down, but my locks are different lengths, so we are gonna have to kind of like wrap it up around itself. So I'm just going to take the end of the lock and then start wrapping it around, and then I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. And girl, my hands are so ashy because I didn't put on lotion because I don't want to get lotion in my head. That's neither here nor there. I just didn't want you to be judging me. Okay. I mean, I like it. I like it. I feel like if my whole head was like this, I would like it.
She just turned 25. She one over young niggas like. Roll with the clear, hard with the clear. She said, swear I just saw it. Swear I just saw it. If this what she wanna be, she can have it away, oh no.
All right, the first 2 are done. I feel like I'm gonna like this style, but instead, girl, my parts are so crazy. But instead of doing the back now, I'm just going to work my way back. So I'm gonna do my hair from the front all the way to the back.
Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it over? She gets down just like is it over? That burn the blood, she's not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
All right, this is the finished look and I love it. I've never done the braids before and I think that it's a different kind of look. I really like that I didn't have to retwist my hair, because usually when I do the twist, I have to retwist the root just to twist it all the way down. But with this, I could just have a no retwist style and I love this. I hope that I can keep this for about 3 weeks. And I'm so excited to see how it looks when I take it down, because I love wavy locks. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me a brown heart if you've got to the end of this video. Follow me on Instagram so that you can see everything. I'm going to leave it on the screen and down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.